Ta-ta! Welcome to the Mi store in Hangzhou, China. So this is what I've been waiting for. The new recently launched Xiaomi Note 10, the CC9 Pro, is in the store, and now I'm going to give you a complete first look at this phone. So let's check it out. So this is Xiaomi's brand new CC9 Pro. Everybody's been waiting for this because it's a Penta camera phone from the brand. Look at this, it's got 5 cameras on it. Wow, and it says 108 megapixel just on the right side. It's got a 108 megapixel primary camera, 20, 20, 12, and even a macro camera on the bottom, I guess. Yeah. This one looks beautiful in this emerald color. Blue, emerald, sapphire, some color, I don't know the name. And just look at the display. Wow, amazing display. Very nice and also pretty smooth. Pretty good. Runs on MIUI latest version. Let's check out the specs. This one is a demo unit, guys, in the retail store. We are here right now. These are the specs. It runs on MIUI 11, has Snapdragon 730G, a 5200 mAh battery. As I've told, a 108 megapixel plus 20 plus 12 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel macro camera. Oh my god, why do we even need these many cameras? But still, it's better to, it's good to have that many. The screen resolution is 2340 with 1080. Okay, it's a 1080p display basically, and has a notch at the top. Very nice. CC9 Pro, which is a Note 10. Initial impressions looks very nice. The display is awesome. I just took some photos as well. Let me show you. So this one is a macro shot, guys, like seriously. I took a photo of this and you can even see the detail of the text, printed text. Amazing. This one is a wide angle camera. The same thing over here. This one is the telephoto, 5x telephoto, 2x telephoto, and the regular 108 megapixel one. Lot of detail in the photos. Initial impressions pretty nice. Yeah, talking about the price, this thing is priced for 34.99 yuan in China, which basically costs around like 34,000 rupees in India. Pretty excited about the camera section. This is a 108 megapixel mode, 1x, 2x, 5x, I think. Yeah, this is the macro mode, 0.6x, and this is 1x. Nice. So this one is the standard black color. Wow. Nice. So yeah, that was our first look at it. If possible, I'll get the phone and try to review it at my hotel. Oh my god, guys, are you looking at this? This is Xiaomi's brand new smartwatch. I didn't expect I'll be able to see this over here. As you can see, this is the new Mi Watch, and the price says it's around like 12.99 yuan for the base variant and 19.99 yuan. I don't know what variant it is because everything is written in Chinese. They have their own Xiaomi MIUI UI based on Android. It supports eSIM, activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, has their own AI in Chinese, voice assistant, and has Qualcomm's 3100 Snapdragon processor maybe. Yeah. And this is how the watch looks like, guys. Let me give you a closer look. It looks sort of like Apple Watch only. Very similar to that. Let me show you at the side. You see this? It's got a watch crown at the top. a small microphone and a power button. It's right now connected to this charger right now. I don't think I can take it out. It's not allowed. I'm not allowed to do that. And there's one more mic. Oh, I think this is a speaker, guys. And there's one more microphone over here. Wow. And if you can observe, it also has an always on display. Yes, so this is how the display looks like. Wow, beautiful. It's got a rectangular shaped body with a curved corners. Looks pretty nice. So I guess this is the home screen. Oh yes, that is the default home page. The thing is, everything is in Chinese, so that's why I'm a bit confused. But look at the movements. Everything feels so smooth on it. I didn't expect the watch to be so smooth. Wow. So on the home screen, guys, you can change the watch faces. You've got multiple number of watch faces. See, like this. You can apply a lot of watch faces. So yeah, this one is another analog based watch face. By swiping down, you can access all the quick setting toggles, which include do not disturb, an airplane mode, sound mode, flashlight settings, and a lot more. It even shows you the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi status, all that. Going to the top, this is the notifications panel, I guess. See, you can check out all the notifications that you've got on your phone after pairing with it. From the left, you get the AI assistant menu where you can, it gives you a complete brief of what to do, what next to do, everything, all that. Pretty good. And on the right side, you've got the complete menu, app UI, everything. First page, I don't know. Okay, looks like some sort of activity tracking because I see these, numbers and all that. And I guess that is what it is. This is a heart rate monitor. What is this? Okay, sports workout page. How do you access all of that? Just by clicking on that? Okay, so that is how it works. Let me close it. And that's done. Going next, we've got the Mijia Home smart home page. And what else do we have? The weather forecast. And that is it, I guess. Let's check out what more watch faces do we have on the watch. Okay, that's a nice one, digital one. I have to say the display looks very nice from my first impressions. So yeah, that was our first look at Xiaomi's Mi Watch, the newest one. I totally didn't expect I'd be able to see that over here and make a small video on that for you guys. So yeah, I'm thinking of getting it or not because 1200 UI means it costs around like 12,000 rupees. So yeah, if I do get it, I'll definitely make an unboxing video on that and make my full review before anybody else does. That is so cool, right? So yeah. Alright, so that was our first look at both the brand new products from Xiaomi, the Mi CC9 Pro smartphone as well as the new Mi smartwatch. Wow, I totally didn't expect to see them. I was like really amazed by looking at them. They look really nice and promising. I can't wait to make an unboxing and review on these products as soon as I get back to India. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. That was our visit to Mi store. So I've told you just now, right, I'm at this Mi exclusive store in a mall in China. I've also covered this whole store. I'll be posting a video of that also very soon, so stay tuned for that. Till then, I just came out of this mall checking out the streets of China. So just watch these clips. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in my next one.